Greetings, Lynette Krause here. I want to show you how the basics on how to make a personal inhaler. You're going to need the inhaler. This is the back. Unscrew. This is the top, the case. This is where the wick goes in. And here's the wick. I'm going to take something that I can use to hold my oils and hold my wick. In this case, I'm going to use a silicone cupcake holder. I'm going to drop my wick in there. I'm going to take whatever it is that I want to put in here, whether it's different oils or a blend or whatever. I'm going to have that, and I'm going to have a little bit of jojoba because that will make it stay on the wick much easier. So I'm just going to get a little squirt in there of the jojoba. I'm going to put between 12 and 15 drops of my blend or my oils, like that. I'm going to take a pair of tweezers and I'm going to spin this around, make sure I get all of the oil up off of my container. I'll drop that right in there with my tweezers. Pop my back on, and sometimes these can be a little hard to get on, so you might need to press it down on something to get that on there. And then put on your top, and there you go. There is your completed personal inhaler.